These don't look like tiny little squares. They just...
Leave that there. Okay guys, this is the meatballs.
It's alright.
Let me get one more meatball. Cause we ate that. Hey guys, I'm gonna cook some Swedish meatballs with someone. She's gonna come help me, but we'll see how far we get. Yeah, that's tonight's dinner. So let's start. Get a chopping board and a knife.
The knife is right there.
Maybe you can use this side. Yeah, and then cut all this. Cut the bread into little squares.
All of
please.
them?
Yep. Thank you. Meanwhile, I will grate 3 onions.
Ooh.
No, here, use like a knife.
How do I do that?
And just cut it into little squares. And I'm gonna cut the onions to grate over the bread. Yeah, little squares. It's school holidays, so she's learning to cook.
These don't look like tiny little squares. They just look like palms.
Well, try to get them as small as you can.
Oh!
No, that's alright. Just
What is the bread for?
it's to help make the meatball soft. Okay guys, let's grate some onions.
Is it in your eyes? Oh, you're getting it in my eyes. Oh, George, you're getting it in my eyes.
That's my time.
Oh, George. It's hurting me. I need glasses. ASAP. Plus, I probably have like 2 to go. So.
Okay guys, while I wait for her, let's add the spices as well. So I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons ground nutmeg, 1, 2, maybe 2.5. And the same amount of allspice.
Oh, this is not good.
2.5.
Oh, no.
So I'll do, runny nose, 1, 2, I'll do 3. And then pepper.
Oh, fish.
Maybe like not as big as these because these are a bit chunky.
That's so rude.
Can you get the milk, please? Okay, so you want to like, let me use my hands. You want to make this all like soak. So like soak the bread. Pour in the milk, please.
The whole thing?
No, just a little bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. So you want it to be soggy.
Oh.
Keep going. Add some more. So like usually you'd do this step without all the spices and everything, but because our song was taking so long. Okay, just a little bit more. Yeah, put it away. I'm gonna try to break down all the big pieces. And yes. Okay guys, we're gonna add mince. Pork mince is the only type of mince I'd have. And we want a little bit here because it helps with the texture. So add that, add another piece. Usually you do half-half, but I'm doing like a third minced pork and then like 2/3 beef. And then the one in that bag. And the one in that Ziploc bag. I'm gonna get her to break down the mince.
I feel like it's still hard, George.
That's okay. And mix it in with the breadcrumbs as well. Be careful not to get it out, please.
Alright, I can't get to the bottom because it's hard.
Do you want me to do it?
No. This is fun.
Okay, one more ingredient that I didn't add with her because I was afraid she'd overmix is 3 eggs. These eggs have smiley faces. But yes, break up those eggs.
Bro, these look like fake shells. Like they're like plastic.
Okay, so lucky I did one in because okay. I'm gonna glad wrap and baking paper the tray. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop, she's gonna roll.
Oh, roll it.
So split it in half and then roll.
Oh, these are weird shaped meatballs.
Bro, shape them properly.
Bro, I swear, if you don't go any slower, I'm gonna throw a meatball at you.
Shut up, meatball head.
Bro, you didn't even let me explain.
You don't need to, I already know.
Leave that down.
Bro, George, there's not enough room.
I'll join you once I finish rolling and doing all this.
When you finish rolling. I'm good, hungry.
Of course you are. Get the potatoes out, please, in the big pot. That's the one I stacked. Usually you'd pan fry these, but because there's so many, going in the oven is easier. Heavier.
Yeah.
Lies.
Bruh. Oh! It's not real.
Maybe spread those ones out a little bit.
Bro, it's still shaped ugly.
I wonder why. Okay guys, this is the meatballs.
Rigmarole.
I'm not gonna put them in the oven yet. I'm gonna make the mash first and then these will go in the oven. Okay. Bag of potatoes. I'm not taking the skin off. I'm not even cutting the skin. It's all just going straight. Oh. Where's that little knife? Found it. So I'm just chopping these. And they will just go straight in. And then I will mash these. And they're done. I really only cut off any imperfections. But really, they just go in as is. Usually I'd put it in a smaller pot, but I get sick of it overflowing when it starts to boil. So having these taller sides will prevent that. Anyways. Dry the bottom, put it over the stove, and let that boil. Now I'm gonna put the oven on.
Watch out for my back.
And then let it cook. Okay guys, the potatoes are on. Now let's put the meatballs in the oven. Come on, Via. Grab a tray. What is this? Anyways, let me put this phone down, guys. Okay, guys, let's check the potatoes. With my cake skewer. Maybe 5 more minutes. But I'm gonna put the peas on now. Got my little pot.
These are the potatoes, and these are the peas, with the water, and the stove and everything. Wait, can I put water in the pot? I want to see how it goes. I just turned down for a second.
They're fork tender. These are the potatoes. Oh, the damn steam. And butter. God damn. Where did all the butter go? Maybe that's enough. Salt. And some milk. I like to add a bit more milk than usual because it'll thicken up as it cools, but I want it a bit fluffy when I'm mixing it. So I've left the skin on and everything, so okay, the mash is done. I would add sour cream and all that, but let's just keep it simple for tonight. But yeah, let's make the sauce now for the meatballs and then we can mix everything up. Okay guys, let's make the sauce. Add about 100 grams of butter. That looks like about 100, eh, guys? Brown it a little bit. Add about half a cup of flour. That looks like half a cup. Yeah. Alright, Via sets off the fire alarm. Okay guys, so we're making like a bechamel sort of. So you wanna cook off the flour taste. Once that's to your liking, I could go further, but let's not. You wanna add a liter of stock.
And if you want to have fun, just stir the peas.
See, it's already getting thick. Let me get a whisk. Because this will lump up. So stir, guys. Whisking it helps get rid of the lumps.
Did you just burn me?
Sorry, girl.
With the peas, that's alright.
I'm just going to echo the spices that I used in the meatballs. Stop. Oh, shoot. That was a bit too much. So, sorry guys.
Don't copyright touch.
Stop, Via. Let it bubble away so it can thicken. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Then you want to add a little bottle of cream. Nothing.
You're not going to celebrate? Like do a video of celebration?
gonna pour it all on with the pan juices. That's the meatballs. It looks a bit ugly because I chopped that part on, but. So you want to add all of this into the pan of sauce that's currently bubbling. I'm just waiting for it to get. Okay guys, let's add the meatballs.
Yeah, get the weird spots. Get the layers here. They're building up.
You can zoom into the pot if you want. Like move in, don't zoom in. Like you move the camera.
And then it falls.
Make sure it's focused. And don't just go fast. Okay guys, dinner's ready. We've got the meatballs in the sauce. Got the mash. Got the peas.
I ordered one bracelet and got the other one free.
And then we got the cranberry sauce. Via's dishing up her dish.
I'm joking. Oh, that was cringe.
You are cringe. Okay.
Now for the main.
Be careful
Oh,
when you do it.
oh, guys, can you see that layer?
Be careful when you do it so you don't spill it.
You wanna?
Don't stir it, just...
No, to get the layer off.
Who's this for? You? Jesus.
Where are you going?
Be careful.
Yep, it's like a swamp. How do I get the peas?
Okay, she was annoying dishing her food. Let's watch me dish. Okay, guys. I like these little pasta bowls. I'm going to do... Take it. I'm going to do mash.
Come eat.
A scoop.
Do you want me to? Oh. Hey.
And then... Let me get one more meatball.
Oh,
Bring me the jam.
there's seeds in it. Too.
Yes, I know.
I hate the taste of cranberry.
And then cranberry. Put it right at there. I mean, come on, guys. Look at that. Let's eat, guys. Look, she didn't like cranberry sauce when I made it the first time, but now she loves it. Okay, put it. Anyways, meatball.
You grab the cranberry with the meatball, with the peas and the mash. Eat it together. Yeah, I'll show you.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Ready? I'll show you. Hope I get some peas.
Oh. Boston niggas are beating me.
Right, it's my whole team, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to describe it. Makes it sweeter.
What's 5 plus 3? Cause we ate that.
What's after 7? 8.
Cause we ate that.
I was gonna say 8, but then I felt like it's something
I thought
else.
that was gonna be my first 3.
This is my freak.
Oh,
Anyways,
boy, you
that's our
suck.
homemade Swedish meatballs. You know, the IKEA ones.
Swedish? Oh, this is Swedish?
Yeah.
My friend's Swedish.
Oh yeah, I tell you, you made IKEA Swedish meatballs. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Wait, one more bite for you guys.
Okay, bye. One more bite.
Wait, I'm gonna move it up
Why are you breaking
to prove that I'm actually eating it. 3, 2,
2, 1. Mm-hmm. Bye.